Today we're going to be putting our entire Warhol collage together. Let's see how. You're going to start by picking one colored paper and writing your name and your class code on the back. Then we're going to get all those other papers we have made. We're going to start with the paper that has that art quote on it. We're going to need a glue bottle. And remember, when we use a glue bottle, we turn that party hat. We're going to pick off the boogers. These are the only boogers we pick. And now let's check if it's breathing. Oh, we heard it. It's ready. Let's flip that over. Give it a tap on the bottom. Make sure our quote is turned over on the side that has our name. And I'm going to do a dot, a tiny dot in each corner. Then dot, dot, not a lot. When I'm done with my glue, I close the party hat and I put it back in my table caddy. I'm going to pick my paper up and it goes all the way to the bottom of that colored paper. Then I'm just going to give it a rub, a massage. Now it's time for that soup can. If you didn't cut it out first. It's going to go right in the center, but with this one we are going to use a glue stick. The glue bottle will ruin the marker we use to color. So I'm going to add a thing of glue in each corner and then a line along the sides, maybe even a squiggle in the middle. Make sure those tops go all the way back on those glue sticks. And now I'm going to place my soup can right in the center of that quote paper at the bottom. Again, give it a rub and a massage. Don't forget, if you didn't cut out your soup can, do that before you glue. Now it's time to use our quick sticks because we are going to add leaves coming out of our soup can. We take off the top of the quick stick. We probably really don't need to twist it. If you can't see any of the color at all, give it one twist. The top goes back in the container and the leaves come out from the top of the soup can. Let me show you a few different ways you can do your leaves. I can add little petals coming off of my stem, or I can turn that stem into one bigger leaf. I'm adding these leaves to create a flower bouquet. I don't have to use the same color the whole time. When I'm ready to change colors, put the top back on, make sure it smushes all the way down, and then I can grab a new quick stick color. I can add more leaves, or I can even add details on top of leaves I have already done. Once my leaves are done, I'm ready to add in those flowers. I'm gonna grab my scissors, thumbs up, fingers in, chomp, chomp, chomp. I bubble cut around my flowers first. I kind of chomp them off that big piece. And then I can easily cut those petals out a little more. Here I'm getting lots of little pieces as I cut out that pointy petaled flower. Once I have all mine cut out, I throw out the trash and I'm ready to decide where I want my flowers to be placed. I don't even have to use all of them, and they can overlap a little bit. I'm gonna go back to my regular glue bottle. I'm going to turn them over, tap, tap, dot, dot, not a lot, and glue all my flowers down. And then hold in place for about 5 seconds, and there we have our Andy Warhol flower bouquets.